Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, Strix, an open source AI penetration testing tool that's exploding in popularity. It promises to automate the complex task of finding and fixing your app's security vulnerabilities before attackers do. We'll analyze how it uses AI to think like a hacker, and what this means for the future of application security. What if your security scanner could think like a real hacker, instead of just matching patterns? What if it could devise novel attack plans, chain vulnerabilities together, and then prove its findings with a working exploit? This is the very premise behind a new breed of AI-powered security tools. This project is called Strix, developed by the organization usestrix. It's an open-source AI penetration testing tool designed to autonomously find and fix vulnerabilities in your applications, and its traction has been significant. The project has accumulated over 48,000 GitHub stars, with nearly 1,000 of those added in just a single day. Its popularity is also reflected in more than 5,000 forks, which signals strong community interest in building upon its foundation. For a long time, application security has been stuck between two bad options. On one side, you have manual penetration testing. It's thorough, but it's also slow and expensive, making it a poor fit for modern, rapid development cycles. On the other side, you have automated static analysis tools. They're fast, but they're notorious for a high rate of false positives, burying developers in a mountain of noise. Strix aims to solve this dilemma by introducing autonomous AI agents. These agents don't just scan for known signatures. They actually simulate an attacker's methodology, from reconnaissance all the way to exploitation. And most critically, they validate every single finding by generating a genuine proof of concept. Strix's design is built around a multi-agent system it calls the graph of agents. So instead of one single monolithic AI, it deploys a whole team of specialized agents. These agents handle specific tasks like reconnaissance, exploitation, and reporting. You can think of it like a digital red team, where a manager agent delegates tasks to specialists who then collaborate and share their findings. This entire coordination is powered by large language models, or LLMs. The LLMs act as the brain for each agent, allowing them to reason about an application's logic and devise creative attack strategies. Another key aspect is its hybrid tech stack. The core logic is written in Python, taking advantage of its rich AI ecosystem. However, the command line interface and local dashboard are built with Go. This client-server model, communicating through a local API, creates a highly responsive user experience while all the complex AI processing happens in the background. And finally, to ensure safety, all potentially dangerous operations are executed inside an isolated Docker container. This sandboxed environment makes sure the security testing process itself doesn't compromise the host system. In practice, Strix is for any team that's serious about proactive security. DevSecOps engineers can integrate it directly into their CI/CD pipelines, automatically scanning every pull request to block vulnerabilities before they ever reach production. Developers can run it against their local code or a live app to get quick, actionable security feedback that even includes suggested fixes. Even security researchers and bug bounty hunters are using its automation to speed up the discovery and reporting of new vulnerabilities. Getting started is pretty straightforward. It just requires Docker and an API key for a supported LLM, and then a simple command kicks off a scan. Community feedback has been largely positive. Users praise Strix for its ability to provide reproducible exploits, which is a huge step up from the false positives of older tools. The open-source nature and easy CI/CD integration are also frequently highlighted as major benefits. However, some users do note that its effectiveness can vary. Concerns have also been raised about the potential for high LLM API costs if scans aren't configured carefully. Despite its innovation, Strix is not without its challenges. Its effectiveness is fundamentally tied to the capabilities and costs of third-party LLMs. This introduces external dependencies and the potential for inconsistent results. The complex prompt engineering that guides the AI agents can also be fragile and difficult to maintain as the tool evolves. Furthermore, that hybrid Python and Go architecture, while powerful, does increase the project's maintenance complexity. This could be a barrier for new contributors, potentially impacting its long-term health. Strix represents a significant shift in automated security. It's moving the field away from simple pattern matching and towards sophisticated, context-aware reasoning. It offers a glimpse into a future where continuous, automated penetration testing isn't just a lofty goal, but a practical reality for development teams of all sizes.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.